How do Acura wheel spacers work? Acura wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Acura wheel spacers can help the vehicle with modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Acura wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders. While ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle, the lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Acura wheel spacer allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Acura wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. The BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Acura wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the high security and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers the wheel spacer size from 50mm to 50mm. BONOSS Acura wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low quality are not strong enough. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Acura wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS forged optically Acura wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute and pedal shift. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of aptly dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS Acura wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.